Welcome back, people, to the creation of the Oasis at Modern Design. Here in the next 3 episodes, you guys are going to see some awesome stuff. I want you to stay tuned as we continue to convert my vinyl siding house into the most amazing water feature experience that I've ever built. We're going to take that reservoir down there to completion, and we are going to build the waterfall going down. You're going to meet the team. There's all kinds of amazing stuff wrapped up in the next 3 episodes. You guys stay tuned, share it with us. Appreciate you hanging out with the Adams family. I want to take you guys over and show you what's been going on. We've been 3 days working on this, probably a little longer than it could take. But honestly, this is my space. This is what I'm going to be staring at. The swim pond up above is for my grandkids. This is what I'm going to look at every time I'm cooking on the grill, every time I walk out the door for a breath of fresh air. This waterfall, this is front and center. Think of these crazy things. That's why I'm allowed to play in the sandbox with the crazy people who build ponds all over planet Earth. And him. I don't know what he does. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, there you go. Beavis. Or is that Butthead?
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind.
Can't fake that, I'm telling you. Instant gratification. I talk to people a lot about the differentials in the cost of a large-scale water feature, and I always say, man, you got to put in some structural, architectural plantings. You can't build this massive waterfall and then put in a bunch of 3-gallon plants unless you got like 30 years to wait. This thing is absolutely amazing. Perfect elevation. That tree is not even going to know that we moved it. I'll just water it every day. It'll give me something to do while I'm sipping on my cold frosty beverage, which, I might add, is what time it is right now.
Last of the Mohicans.
We're not the last Mohicans. No. I'm only like 1/10 Indian or something. It's not even Mohican.
Now we stand together, and suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery.
The Mycorrhizae is what really does the natural fungi that used to live in the soil everywhere. See it turn into jelly? Starting to look like fish eggs. The whole stinking bucket will be like that in a minute. It's also got that pterosorb, so it holds a lot of water. You could see when we use it on plants in the nursery, if we did one batch with and one batch without, within a month, the plants that had with were probably 2 to 4 times the size of the other ones. It's also got humic acid in it. It's got that gel is the water absorber stuff. Okay. And it's like yucca extract, all kinds of weird things that help root growth and help this tree survive what we just did to it. Just anything we can do to give it a little extra. We coat all these roots on the side here, all those feeder roots. And it's my understanding that this stuff used to happen naturally everywhere. It used to be in soil everywhere. And we just buried it basically and starved it. And the difference is undeniable, man. It's the plants absolutely love it. And it's not a chemical, that's the thing I like, is it's something that used to happen that we screwed up and then figured out it was a genius thing that we should put it back. So that's important to me, is the biggest things when you're putting the tree in the ground. Don't let the roots get air pruned. Root pruning by air is a thing, but you don't do it all at one time. It's a slow process. Doing the excavation of a tree and moving it, you just want to get it moved quick. The biggest problem I've ever had is air pockets underneath the tree when you move it. Obviously, if the root ball falls apart, that sucks, but this tree is doing a fantastic job being transported and moved. And lo and behold, we're just gonna give it all the love we can, and I feel like this tree is gonna be happier here than it was out on the other side of the universe where it came from.
Sitting rock so that we can sit on it.
Point is up high right here. That's what I'm looking at. No matter where we put this point is up high. When you raise this side up, you're going to be looking at the bottom of the rock. On this side, straight out the window, you're going to see the bottom of that stone. And we want it to be a freaking iceberg coming out of there. I don't want to see the bottom of it anyway. More aggressive on the angle. I like it better back there. You can't spin it around. It's only got a waterfall on one end.
Yeah. Here to chew bubblegum and mash things up.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. Bunch of stuff by myself. That's all I ever do. I don't get to work with nobody. I don't get to do nothing.